This is hands down the best savory chicken salad. Let me show you. So to a pot, I started with 2 cleaned chicken breasts, and as you can see, I did poke holes in them, and that is so that the flavor can go all throughout. I added in about half of a roughly chopped medium onion, 4 garlic cloves, and about half a carton of chicken broth. To that, I added a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder and about a teaspoon of black pepper. You're going to give that a good mix, cover with the lid, and let that come to a boil. Now, I let my chicken cook for about an hour. Here, I'm just checking it just to see if it's starting to shred apart, and as you can see, it is doing that with some ease. Like I said, I let it go for an hour, and after that hour, I was ready to start assembling our chicken salad. So I just removed the chicken breast from the pot, and I am going to reserve all of that liquid goodness that's in that pot because I want to do something with it. I'm not quite sure what yet, but I don't want to get rid of it. The flavor is too good. So we're just going to store it away until we figure it out. In the meantime, though, we're going to go ahead and shred this chicken. Now, the hack for me is to simply use a standing mixer or a hand mixer. This makes it so much easier. It cuts down on the time, and I swear my pieces are a lot more uniform than if I were to do it by hand. Once it's all shredded to my desired size, I then go in with my mayo, and if you're not a Duke's person, then I don't know what to tell you. It's top tier. So I went in with half a cup starting out of Duke's mayo and some celery and onion. Now, how much celery and onion you choose to use is solely up to how many or how much you enjoy it. I enjoy it a little bit, so I went in with as much as I thought I needed, and then I went in with some seasonings as well as a pinch of sugar. Don't worry, it'll all be in the description box. I quickly noticed that half a cup of mayo was not enough, so in total, I did a full cup of mayo to those 2 chicken breasts. And then I went in and gave that a good mix, but sometimes you just got to get in with that metal spoon. I don't know what it is, but that metal spoon just incorporates everything a whole lot better. So once I was able to mix that to my liking, this is what it looks like. The flavor is all throughout. Y'all, my mouth is watering. It's a simple recipe, but the flavor is phenomenal. You gotta try it and let me know what you think. Wow, this is a 10 out of 10, and it'll be even better when it's cold. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.